When the Storm Comes, written by Linda Ashman, illustrated by Taeun Yu. What do you do when the clouds roll in, when the wind chimes clang, and the weather vanes spin? We watch, we sniff, we perk our ears, and listen as the rumbling nears. We count supplies, we check the news, we find our comfort spot, we snooze. Where do you go when the sky turns gray, when the grasses bend and the treetops sway? We gather here below the eaves, we roost beneath some sturdy leaves. We put our busy work aside and buzz back to the hive to hide. We find a small, protected space, a hollow log, a sheltered place. What do you do when the buoys rock, when the waves crash hard against the dock? We ride a blast of stormy air. We find a cove, it's safer there. We dodge the weather if we can. We swim down deep, away from land. We close, we cover, latch and tie. We bring things in to keep them dry. Then lightning cracks and thunder roars. It shakes the shutters, rattle doors. The rain pours down, the sky turns sleet. We hunker down to watch and wait. We play a game by candlelight, tell some stories, curl up tight. We listen to the rainfall rush, then drizzle, patter, plip, plop, hush. What do you do when the storm has passed, when the sun comes out and is calm at last? We leave our dens. We scout, we fly, we shake, shake, shake until we're dry. We clean up things, we sweep and rake, we haul debris, we mix and bake. We check on neighbors, make repairs, bring out tables, pull up chairs. We settle in, enjoy the sun, happy that the storm is done, grateful for the change in weather, and for friends who flock together. What do you do when the clouds roll in, when the wind chimes clang, and the weather vanes spin? Thank you for listening.